Behind this broken motorcycle rim lies a story of hope and resilience. A young man arrives, carrying the shattered remains of his bike, along with what's left of his spirit. After a terrible accident, he didn't have enough money to buy a new rim. His last option, a humble workshop run by an old mechanic in the corner of his village. He asked, "Can this still be fixed, sir?" And the answer was simple, "Yes. Let's bring it back to life." Every crack is inspected, every bend is carefully measured. They know, even the smallest mistake could mean failure. But here, experience outweighs the lack of modern tools. With fire and hammer, the deformed metal begins to return to shape. Heat is applied precisely where it's needed, not with sophisticated machines, but with skilled hands that reshape the rim to its core. The gas torch is lit. A mix of oxygen and acetylene produces a bright blue flame. In the hands of an experienced welder, that flame fuses with the metal, sealing every crack one by one. This isn't just welding, this is reuniting what was once broken. Once the flame dies down, it's time to refine the scars. The grinder spins fast, trimming away the excess weld with precision. Then, the polishing machine moves over every inch, smoothing out the surface until the repairs are almost invisible. Next comes painting, done entirely by hand. With steady and careful movements, each layer of paint is sprayed on. Slowly, the rim begins to shine again, like something fresh off a factory line. Clean, neat, strong. From a piece of scrap deemed worthless, it's transformed back into something functional. It's not magic, but the result of patience, craftsmanship, and grit, in a modest village workshop. If you enjoyed witnessing this kind of incredible work, help us keep telling these stories. Please consider subscribing, leaving a like, and sharing this video. Because behind old metal, there's always a story worth watching.